Good morning, guys. In today's videos, I'm going to break down forex pairs, but I'm not going to analyze gold because it doesn't have, it's only a big move to the upside. As you can see, there is nothing to analyze unless we start to see like a trend that's which could happen tomorrow, but right now there's nothing to analyze on gold. And they are going to start buy on AUDUSD, and on 1 hour perspective you can clearly see that the market is currently in uptrend, and this is the last low that can invalidate our long entry trading 1 hour time frame trend. And this get to 15-minute time frame, and you can clearly see that we have only consolidation. Yeah, this is a consolidation of 15-minute time frame, and if we scale to 5-minute time frame, you can clearly see that we have 5-minute trend to the downside. And right now what I am expecting is for price to hold. If this level hold, I will look for short opportunity. If we do see change of character on 1 minute time frame, I will go short, targeting price to make a pullback of 1 hour trend, okay, to clear out all of these open liquidity and price to come back to this area. That's what I'm waiting for on AUDUSD. But if we see price break structure, then I'm going to look for targeting price to make another impulse to the upside. That's what I'm looking on AUDUSD and GBPAUD, still in downtrend. Can see price is making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and this is the last high that made vehicle structure to the downside. And if we scale to 15-minute time frame, you can see this is a supply area, one hour, and this is also supply area. And I am going to wait for price to come back to this one of this area, like price make change of character on 5-minute time frame, then I'll go short. If price continue without changing character and we see change of character on this second supply area, I'm going to look for short. Or even on this area, I'm going to look for short until price break this last lower high. I'm going to continue looking for short. But if we see price come back like this and then fail to make lower low, then break a structure or formed lower high, I'm going to look for long. But if price move like this and then give 5-minute change of path downside, I'm going to look for short of one of these area. That's what I'm waiting for on GA and GBPUSD. By looking on 1 hour perspective, we can see that this level is holding price to continue pushing up higher, and this is a good sign that we can start to see price making move to the downside. And from here there we have seen 15-minute change of character, okay, and I still wait for price to make this change of character to the downside, then I'm going to look for short. If price break this structure, I'm going to look for short. If price break this structure, I'm going to look for long. Okay, 15 minutes, and we can clearly see that on still 5 minutes there is no trend, and I am expecting price to come back to break this structure, to like this, to like this, then pound, then go short. Okay, targeting price to continue making lower high, lower low on 15-minute trend. And if price break this structure, I'm going to look for long. Okay, targeting price to break this 1 hour 1 hour zone and clear all out of this liquidity formed here. And that is what I am looking on GU. Still, trading is a game of patience, and we prefer to wait. On USDCHF, if we go to 4-hour perspective, we can see that price now is in consolidation of 4 hour. Okay, and we get rid of this, and sorry, okay, this is 4 hour range, and we don't trade the range, we wait for a breakout. And on 1 hour, we can see that the price has made a change of character to the downside. Okay, and which means this is the last high of 1 hour. We go to 15 minutes to find our major zone, supply area. This is the one. Okay, supply area, and this is the one. I'm going to wait for one of these area to get hit before looking for short. If I am going to trade 1 hour trend, but if we see price, we can clearly see that the market right now is in a consolidation. Always all dollar pairs is in consolidation. You can see price is in range of 15 minutes, and if you go to 5 minutes, we can clearly see that the market is making higher high and higher low. This is a reversal, 5 minute reversal. Then this is the last zone which ready to break of structure to the upside, and from here wait for price to come back to this area, and we skip to 3 minutes to find another major demand area. And as you can see, this is the demand area which ready price to break a structure, 5 minute demand. And right now what I'm going to do is to wait for price to come back to this area, one of these area, and make a change of character on 1 minute time frame. Then I'm going to go long, and if price break this structure to the downside, I'm going to look for short. Okay, if price break this high, sorry, this low. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy trading days. Ciao ciao, bye.